Drummers, musicians, YouTubers, drummer, drum teacher Tim Connolly here again today. Welcome to Tim Connolly Drums, and we're going to do a fantastic 16th note groove video. Now, some of the grooves are going to be single-handed, some of the grooves are going to be alternate sticking, right, left, or left, right. The other thing that we're going to talk about is the fact that you can, of course, play anything you do with your right hand, you can do with your left hand. So for you open players out there, you can, everything that I'm doing with my right hand, you can also do with your left. Now, I actually play left and right, open-handed, and of course, arm over arm style, which is the most common style. And the reason I play left-handed is I'm left-handed. And I originally started drumming, playing actually this left-handed, because my drum teacher let me do it for about a month. Then he got fed up when I was 10 of having to switch the drum kit around, the hi-hat back over here, back over here, you know, the floor tom back over here, because when I was playing left-handed, everything was backwards, so to speak. And he got tired of that, and he finally said, look, man, you got to learn how to play right-handed. And I was 10 years old, and I just said, okay, no problem. So I learned how to play right-handed, but I always kept the ability to play left-handed. Now, I don't switch the drums around and play left-handed, you know, like Phil Collins, Ian Pace kind of thing. I still play in a right-hand setup, but I would play open-handed, Billy Cobham, Dom Famularo style. And open-handed actually is kind of the new norm. A lot of guys play open-handed and or cross-handed. So either one is good. All right, so let's get to our first 16th notes. Okay, so that was our first 16th note groove, single-handed. Our next groove is going to be alternate sticking, right, left, or for you lefties, left, right. Either one is fine, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, the next one is very similar to what we just did with the right, left, or the left, right, but we're going to do right, left off of the cymbal and the hat. So we're doing the same type of sticking, but we're just placing our hands in different places. Now, for some strange reason, this screws people up. I'm not sure why, because all we're doing is going from here to here. It's really quite simple, and I know that some people may struggle with that. It's okay, I totally understand. I've been teaching drums for a long time, and I see this all the time, that when you move from one surface to another, you get used to playing it a certain way, even though you're doing the same thing, we're on a different surface, it might feel a little bit different, and the sound, of course, is different, so it throws you off. So whatever you do over here, we're going to do the same thing over here. You just got to practice. Let's get to it. Okay, that last groove, I forgot to mention that it's influenced by Steve Gadd. That's where I picked that up years and years ago, watching Steve Gadd do it. And the next one is also influenced by another great drummer, Neil Peart. So this is 16th notes, but you're playing them off a tom as a groove. So same thing you were doing here, same thing you were doing here. We're now going to do it on a single tom or two toms. All right, so let's get to that Neil Peart groove. The last one of our 5 today is going to be playing 16th notes, but the 16th notes are a little bit broken, meaning that you're coming off the hat, the ride, maybe even the tom if you're doing the Neil Peart groove, and you're breaking the 16th notes up in the sense only of orchestration. You're still creating a 16th note flow, but just how you're orchestrating it, it's not continuous on 2 surfaces. We're going to split up where the hits are happening. So instead of always happening on the ride, they could be on another cymbal, a tom, snare, etc., etc. Let's get to it. right, so those are the 5 16th note grooves that I wanted to show you today. Now, of course, you can mix them up, you can inter swap them, you know, I've got many, many more videos coming showing different ways to play these 16th notes. Today I selected 5 main topics and then played a variety of grooves inside that topic. So thank you very much for watching. I'm glad that my subscriber number count is starting to go up. I just need a few more to reach 1,000, so please subscribe, comment. I love to read the comments. I love to see my subscriber numbers going up. It's really awesome. I've got lots and lots of material coming your way to get you drummers educated in music with some new great ideas. And for those of you that already know how to do these things, this is just maybe some different ways that I approach it. You know, every drummer does things a little bit different. Bottom line is we're having fun. That's the most important thing. Keep drumming. See ya.